Metal in a miniature is what catches the light, what draws the eye, what brings it to life. For years, painters have searched for a way to achieve realistic and striking metallics. Today, we take a step forward. Vallejo presents true metallic metal. This is a range designed to cover the entire color spectrum, organized into 20 families. Each family includes 4 colors that work in harmony: a metallic base, a metallic light, a satin shade, and an airbrush base. The BSL system, which has transformed miniature painting, now comes to metallics: base, shade, and light. The 3 essential steps that, combined with the airbrush option, deliver vibrant metals that are easy to work with and full of depth. The paints provide excellent coverage, ultra-fine pigment, and a smooth, even finish. This system is designed to adapt to any style: fantasy, science fiction, or historical. Imagine everything you can create, from subtle reflections to armor that shines with strength. 20 families, endless possibilities. Metal comes alive in your hands.